YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with another J Talks Crypto. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, it's my birthday. What the? But we're going to talk about Toshi today. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. I just got to let you know, too, it's not a financial advisor, just the homie, right? So at the end of the day, you got to go out and do your own research. Don't buy anything based off this video, right? As you guys can see, market looking super duper suspicious today, right? Market cap coming in at a 3.46, fear greed index coming in at a 68, and Bitcoin hanging on by a thread right now at 109.5, right? Can Bitcoin continue on its rise to glory, or has Bitcoin seen a top, right? Some people want to know, has Bitcoin seen a top, or can it keep on going, right? Past month, been establishing some higher lows. You could see though right here, we did create a little bit of a rising wedge, and ever since then, it's been kind of tough breaking out of that. So it has people wondering again, are we going to see a breakout, or is this a fake out, right? Let's see what the peanut gallery is kind of saying, then we'll dive into some Toshi, give you guys some TA and whatnot. Somebody says, Michael Saylor against proof of reserves. We already talked about that this morning. A lot of talk basically on that. Some people thinking that, oh, yikes, maybe wrong, but I haven't seen a significant rally in BTC. The only potential upside I observe is 112. Wish it could push plus 117. Controversially, if it drops to 90, it might trigger a sharp decline. That makes sense. I mean, again, we talked about a couple of things, right? Possible double top, right? Double top, maybe the end of the cycle. I don't think that's necessarily the case. I don't think that's what's going on here. We have not had a blow off top yet. So if we did see the top of our cycle, it would be very anticlimactic. It would be weird. It would just not be a normal cycle. A lot of indicators still showing that we still have time left in this cycle, as well as we have a president now that is actually for cryptocurrency, trying to build a country around crypto pretty much. And he's got his own crypto even. So, you know, talking about reserves and all these other things that he's talking about has me feeling like we could still see some upside to crypto. Hopefully, right? But again, the market is always speculative, right? You got to pay attention to the fact that our market cap's only at $3.4 trillion. So again, it's going to be volatile. Let's talk about some Toshi, because I know you guys like Toshi, right? We're going to talk about some Toshi. I haven't checked the Toshi price actually since the last video. I've been getting a lot of stuff done today. It's been a very busy day. It's already 2 o'clock over here. And I haven't really done much birthday festivities yet. But maybe that will change. Maybe that will change later on throughout the day. We'll see. We'll see. Let's check out Toshi over on Dex Screener. And let's check out the rest of the market too. As you guys can see, some of these coins sitting pretty volatile, like Ethereum, up only 4% today, but still printing. Still printing. It seems like Ethereum is kind of doing a pretty good job outperforming a lot of the market, which again is a positive indicator of a possible bull cycle. Possibly, right? As you guys can see, Toshi coin coming in at 294 million market cap, creating another wedge again. We were hoping that we were going to see a breakout. But again, we're retesting this range right here. In my opinion, this chart has not broken down. This is a very important day for Toshi. It's a day where we really need to have a good solid close, and really the next 2 days we gotta really also have some good solid closes on Toshi. Otherwise, again, we can see a retest of some of these lower ranges. Just something that I would be paying attention to. Couple of indicators showing that, again, we're sitting on some key support even right now. Right, this 294 million market cap range seems to be a key level. So definitely something I'm paying attention to. You guys can see Toshi coin was creating some good solid price action before, but I want to know, are we going to see another breakdown on these charts before we see any kind of a pump? Or again, has Toshi coin already found its bottom? Are we going to start seeing the market really start rallying closer towards the next couple months? Probably. That was kind of the initial prediction that I had, was that we were probably gonna see a market that was pretty funky until like July. But at the same time, again, these prices could take off. We also thought that we were going to have a retest of some lower levels earlier, and I was wrong about that. So, again, I'm wrong from time to time. It happens, but at the same time, I am long on Bitcoin. That has not changed. I told you guys that I do not think that we're at the top of our cycle based off my personal opinion, right? We could have a couple things telling us that we possibly need to see some kind of a retest of some lows, but again, not bearish on Bitcoin in 2025. Very bullish on Bitcoin in 2025. I think that we can have a very strong close to the year. So that's kind of what I'm anticipating. That's what I'm planning for. Again, I could be wrong. Not telling you guys what to buy or what to do with your money. I'm just kind of giving you guys my predictions on what I think will happen. But again, at the end of the day, they're just predictions and they can be wrong. So yeah, but Toshi coin, in my opinion, looking pretty solid on the daily. We got to close positive on this daily. We're going to continue tracking this. So again, if you guys like Toshi, if this is a coin that you hold, make sure you let us know in the comment section. Every single comment, every single like, subscribe, all that stuff. It all helps us out in the algorithm. It gets Toshi pushed out even further out there so that more people can see it. So again, do your part, guys. Hit that comment section, hit that like button. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.